ReSound is a company that tries to solve problems for the hearing impaired. We have an entire culture that all we think about is what's the next problem we can solve. We want to put hearing aids on people and have them experience the world as they were used to experiencing it when they had normal hearing. When we talk about our system in general, there's kind of 4 pillars. We talk about audiology, we talk about apps, we talk about connectivity, and we talk about design. On the audiology side is the surround sound by ReSound. So this is the signal processing of the sound. So sound comes into a hearing aid and it's processed for a person so that they can hear better. And we do some very unique things in our signal processing. It's the normal hearing experience, and again, that's what we're all about. Let's try to look at that normal ear and that normal hearing experience and give that to our patients. Design of hearing aid is extremely important. It needs to be small, it needs to be cosmetic, it needs to be very comfortable and fit to the ear nicely. And things have to be easy. They have to be able to easily put a mini microphone on them and access that mini microphone. It's in the apps where you're really starting to see a lot of new things. You're seeing a level of personalization that patients have never had before. You can actually change the beam width of a directional microphone to make it actually scope narrower or to open up and to hear more around you. You can change the noise reduction settings. So let's say you walk into a really noisy environment and you're like, whoa, you're overpowered by this noise. You can actually open up your app and increase the level of noise reduction. This kind of personalization is just going to make them hear in more environments, more successful in more environments, and that's really the future of hearing aids. Listening on a telephone when you're hearing impaired has been a huge challenge for many, many, many years. And these direct streaming capabilities from a telephone has really solved that problem for people with hearing loss. Our entire hearing aid line is made for iPhone compatible. And it really is nice because what you can do is take a phone call from your iPhone and your phone call is streamed directly wirelessly to your hearing aid. There's nothing around your neck, there's nothing that you need. Your phone rings, you take the call, it's in your hearing aid. ReSound has a full line of wireless accessories. So these accessories can connect to your TV, to your phone. They also can be a microphone, and everything would be streamed directly right to your hearing aid. The microphone is by far my favorite accessory because hearing in noise has always been the biggest problem that people with hearing loss have to face. And if you can put a microphone on the person that you want to hear and then their voice is streamed directly into the hearing aids, that person can hear really in any noisy environment that they go in. The hearing aids alone are fantastic. The signal processing and everything a hearing aid can do alone, they really do work better than hearing aids have ever worked before. But add the system, add the connectivity, and you're just adding benefits that have not been there for the hearing impaired before.